Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the issue when copying or transferring files from one folder to another on your computer and the process just seemingly stops or does not allow you to finish or include transferring the files. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay dito lang sa searching bar ng ating computer, ay search mo lang dito yung turn Windows features on and off. So type lang natin yan. And then next ay click mo lang itong open. So magpapap itong kanyang Windows features settings. And the next step ay dito lang sa baba ay kailangan mo lang hanapin or i-uncheck box natin yung Remote Differential Compressions API support. Ay, ito siya. So kailangan mo lang i-uncheck itong Remote Differential Compressions API support. Uncheck lang natin yan. And then click mo lang itong OK. And then wait natin mga kaibigan na pa-process. Okay, so Windows completed and requested changes. And then close lang natin yan. And the next step na pwede natin gawin ay dito lang sa searches. And then dito lang sa searching bar ng ating computer ay search mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. And then next ay kailangan mo lang mag-right click dito. And then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. Okay, so dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na ipconfig space // DNS. So one word yung // DNS and then press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo dito na successfully flashed the DNS resolver cache. And the next command keyword na kailangan mo lang i-type ay i-type lang mo yung nest space wensap space reset. Right? So, kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na NETSH space wensap space reset and then press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo dito yung successfully reset the wensap catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Alright, and then close lang natin tong CMD at kailangan lang natin mag-restart para ma-fix yung problem. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-fix ang file transfer to a shared folder stops randomly. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.